How we doing, everybody? This is Larry again for the LIOI channel and for the Lifestyle Management Program. Now I'm going to show you a video today, something that I came up with when I was at the grocery store. Just saw all these ingredients and just threw it all together. Thought it was great. This recipe is about 485 calories per serving, so we're hitting the top of my limit that I usually set, mostly because of the oil and butter that I use in this. I use about a tablespoon of unsalted butter. I use homemade butter with this. You could use any unsalted butter, will be fine. On the steaks, throw in some chopped tarragon and just spoon that juice all over the steaks, and it just makes them so nice and flavorful and tender, and it's really good. Cauliflower rice. This one's a broccoli and cauliflower rice. Basically just put in a food processor and ground up really fine, so it kind of looks like rice. In a pan with some oil, kind of like a little quick stir fry, throw in some other vegetables, and I have cipollini onions. If you've never used a cipollini onion before, you cannot peel it like a regular onion. It's not like a pearl onion. You cut the root off, boil them, but be careful, for they're going to be really hot, and I kind of burned myself today. You do that, and then you take the stem, if there is one left, sometimes there isn't, and you just literally pop out the bulb. Careful, because it can go flying. I lost one before and it went flying. So that's about it. Again, 485 calories per serving. You got amazing food. Tastes really good, really light. It's chock full of protein. Not as much carbohydrates because there isn't any starch really. All vegetables. And it just tastes really good, and you get to impress people. 485 calories per serving. So there you go. Enjoy the video, guys.